In this video, I am going to show you how you can get Spotify Premium for free, legally and safely. 100% working method. Let's get started. Open your Play Store and search for Spotify. Trust me, this is 100% legit way to get Spotify Premium for free. No shady apps or hacks involved. Once you find Spotify, install it on your device. After installing Spotify, open the app and log in your using main account. This step is crucial, so make sure you use your correct credentials. In your account, look at the bottom right corner and press on Premium. Now, click on Get Premium. Here's the good news: Spotify often offers affordable plans like 120 rupees for 2 months, depending on your country. This is a super cheap way to enjoy ad-free music, downloads, and premium features. Now, why to avoid mod APKs? You might be tempted to search for modded Spotify apps, but here's the truth. Spotify has secured its API keys, making these mods unreliable or straight scams. Using these apps can compromise your privacy or even lead to your account being banned. If you can't afford Spotify Premium, consider alternatives like YouTube Music or other free streaming platform. They might not be good as Spotify, but they are safe and won't put your data at risk. I care about you and your safety, so don't waste your time on fake apps or scams. If you truly love music, invest in a legit version of Spotify. It's worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and helpful tips. Stay safe,